Fall/Spring Tune-Up Checklist for HVAC Maintenance. Is your HVAC system prepared for the upcoming seasonal changes? With Cape Coral's unique climate, a seasonal HVAC tune-up in the fall and spring can keep your home comfortable year-round. Regular maintenance not only extends the life of your system, but also prevents unexpected breakdowns. Here's what you need to do to keep your system in top shape. 1. Clean and replace air filters to ensure your HVAC isn't overworking. 2. Inspect and tighten electrical connections for safe and reliable performance. 3. Check refrigerant levels to avoid any cooling issues during the spring and summer heat. 4. Lubricate moving parts to reduce friction, preventing costly wear and tear. A well-maintained HVAC system can make all the difference in comfort and efficiency. Call Florida Cooling Solutions in Cape Coral, Florida today at 239-323-6524 to schedule your seasonal tune-up and keep your home ready for any weather.